grade Shurley method, page 52. We are going to do exercises 6 and 7 today. So for sentences 1 through 3, fill in the circle or circles that show these sentences combined correctly to make complex sentences. I got a ticket. I was going too fast. So which one or two of those three would work for this? 2 would. So since I was going too fast, comma, I got a ticket, and then it is not 3. It is 1 because you don't need the comma before because. Okay, the only time we do that is if we say like no, comma, yes, comma, but in this case, that would just be I got a ticket because I was going too fast. So what makes it complex in 1? The word because, right? And in 2, the comma. Okay? All right. Number 4 through 6, replace each underlined pronoun by writing the correct form in the first blank and then telling us if it's the subjective or objective in the second. John and I wrote the report. Which one? Subjective. This is he. I know that still sounds kind of different too, but hold on, guys. Hold on, it's not working. Okay, so he. All right, and then objective or subjective? Objective. No, subjective. They called he and I to the office. You can do us or him and me. Okay, so him and me, or you can do us. Okay, objective or subjective? It's objective. The subject is they, right? Okay. Change the underlying mixed tense verbs in paragraph 1 to present tense. So Missy is a horse in a novel. She is black with a white star on her forehead. She yells very fast and everyone loves her. Reporters to the island where she lives. Her picture in all of the newspapers. Her family is very proud of her. You guys are going to do the last 3